Ho, ho, ho! Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. It's time to go buy a motorcycle. Stick around. Alright guys, so here's the deal. It's Christmas time. Today, December 25th, when you're watching this video, and something that I love doing is giving gifts. That's probably my love language. Number one is to see people happy. That's why I do things with charities, give motorcycles away, do things like that. And today, I was scouring the web, looking for, of course, old Triumphs, and I come across a Facebook Marketplace listing where a guy has a Triumph 500 that he's looking to basically part ways with. And I said, man, this is gonna be a great opportunity to scoop up a little bike and use it as a gift. Now, here's the issue. I've been doing this project with my son and the 5 Dirty Bikers for the Autism Charity Bike, that 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster. And my daughter is the one in my family who has the biggest passion for motorcycles. And I've been looking for the right bike, the right size to fit her, something that we can do as a project together. And that's what this is gonna be. It's a 1970 Triumph T100S. It's been chopped, been bobbed. You know, somebody tried to make it a cool little bike. Not necessarily from the photos I've seen that it's cool, but what's cool about it is it's supposed to be a running motorcycle and it has a title and the price is right. So we're gonna go scoop up this bike and we're gonna get this thing back to Weems Motor Co. and I'm gonna present it to my daughter as her Christmas gift, a project that her and I can build together. So you guys stick around. All right guys, so here we are, made it a little far away from the house, a couple hours, and we're here with Rigel, and just like me, he's a collector of all things old and Triumph, and he keeps it and collects it for people like me to come purchase it. Not necessarily, he's building a really cool blue chopper himself. I'll probably throw a little clip of the video of that in there right now, but hey, this guy, super cool guy. If you are around in the state of Florida and you are looking for some cool old Triumph parts, chances are he might be able to hook you up a little bit with it. So, Rigel, thank you for this opportunity. We're gonna take this bike, we're gonna build it with my daughter. Okay. So it'll be her first motorcycle project ever, and it's gonna be a 1970 Triumph Tiger T100C. That we got from this guy. So everybody on the YouTube channel, make sure that you go down in the comments and say good job Rigel for hooking us up. So on our way out, are you sad to see this leaving your house?
I'm a little sad. This is you've got the same idea that I had, you know, build it with your daughter. I was going to build it with my son. He's 13. You know, we changed paths, you know, right in the middle, and so I'm glad to see it go into a good place.
It's definitely going to be going to a good time, and once you get on the YouTube channel and you watch the videos, everybody that's watching right now will know that this motorcycle will be running and riding. It will be put to use, and my daughter has never ridden a motorcycle. So okay. This will be the very first bike that she's ever operated on her own. So she will learn to ride on this motorcycle, and like I said, I'm thankful, humbled, appreciate you selling this project to us, and we're gonna get it going. So Rigel, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Let's get on down the road to Tampa, get this thing rolling. Let's see if we can get it mocked up for her. What have I done? You don't know? What's in the back of the truck?
A motorcycle.
A motorcycle. I went and bought another motorcycle. What do you think your mom's gonna say?
Good luck.
Good luck? Well, I think mommy will be okay with this motorcycle. You know why?
Is it free?
No, it wasn't free. I had to pay for it. But you know why mommy might like this one? Because it's your motorcycle.
Since when?
Since I bought it for you and me to build together, and this is gonna be your motorcycle that you help.
Pink.
We can do whatever colors you want to do. Good. But the thing is this is your motorcycle. Literally, you're gonna be able to ride it and do everything with it. Get your license. Oh my goodness! But it ain't gonna take 2 years to build it, so we're gonna build it and let you get some practice time.
And ride it?
And ride it, yes.
Without a license?
Around the neighborhood, yeah. Nice and slow. Are you excited?
To ride it.
Do you want to know anything about it?
Tell me everything.
Tell you everything. All right. So, here, let's spin around so people can see the motorcycle behind us. Oh, there it is right there. That is a 1970 Triumph Tiger. It's a 500cc numbers matching super cool bike. Right now it doesn't look too cool, does it?
Ew.
It needs some work, right? So, me and you are gonna build this motorcycle together, and I am super excited about it because that motorcycle me and Austin building together, that's a Harvey Danielson. That's not cool. Me and you are gonna build a Triumph, and it's gonna be awesome. So you ready to get to work?
Sure.
Sure. Ready to get greasy hands and dirty and yucky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, here we are. 1 day later, got the bike into the shop, took off those unnecessary parts, and took off that hardtail because I noticed it had been modified a lot through its ages, and I had this really sweet David Bird looped hardtail for a 500cc. I knew that was going to work great for this project. Lowbrow Customs ribbed fender. All the cool stuff, Addie. All the cool stuff for your motorcycle. Now, the thing is we said that you have to build this. And what color did you want it to be?
Pink.
Pink! Alright, so in order to get to the place where we could even paint this thing, we have to figure out some details. Details that you want. Things like, what kind of gas tank do you want it to have? What kind of handlebars do you want it to have? What kind of seat? Those are like the essential things, and this is my favorite part of building motorcycles. It's kind of like playing with Lego. You know, you get to add pieces on. If you don't like it, you can take it off and just kind of discover what your favorite pieces and parts are. That's why I keep all this old motorcycle stuff around. Is this boring to you?
No, I'm tired.
You're tired? I know, long day at school. You know, tough day for kids. Well, let's try out some gas tanks first. We'll figure out what kind of gas tank you want. Then once we get the gas tank, then we'll figure out some seats. We'll look at some seats next. And then we'll figure out handlebars. And then once we have those things figured out, we can start building this bike. You excited? You stoked to have your very first motorcycle? You know what the coolest part it is?
I get to ride it.
You get to ride it, and it's not a Harley Davidson. So that is awesome. That's super cool.
Harleys are...
You heard it from her, not me. All right, let's get this going. All right, so Addie, there's your tanks. I want you to just take each tank, pick it up, set it on there, take a step back, look at it from the side, tell me what you like about it and what you don't like about it.
Okay.
Get it going, go! What do you like about it? What do you don't like about it?
I don't really like the shape of it. Kind of looks like a coffin.
You know why it looks like a coffin?
It's a coffin thing.
It's a coffin tank. Very good. On to tank number 2. All right, so talk to us about it. What do you think about that? That is called a wassail peanut tank. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it?
I like that it's not so big.
Okay.
I like the shape of it,
Okay.
but I think it's a little, looks off.
Alright, so what do you think about this? This is the tank that the motorcycle came with. What's your thoughts on this?
I like the height, like it's not so close to the engine.
Okay.
It's further up. But it looks like a butt.
It looks like a what?
A booty.
A booty! She don't like the booty. Alright, next one up. So this one is another Wassel peanut tank, but it is a Frisco mount, which means that it sits up higher on the backbone, really far away from the engine. What are your thoughts on it?
I like it. It's like kind of soft. It's faced this way.
Alright, and this last tank that we're going to try on here, this is actually a factory Triumph 500 tank. So this was what would be on here stock and original. And some people like the stock and original tanks on little bobbers and little choppers, so why not toss it up on there and try it? Let's do it. Alright, so the stock Triumph tank, what do we think? What do you think?
Kind of like it.
You kind of like it? What do you like about it? It fits it or what? Like what's going on? Does it look like a butt?
No.
Okay.
It looks... I don't know how to describe it. I kind of like it.
So it appears that we're going to go with the stock 500 tank on this thing. That's kind of cool. I haven't done a bike like a bobber with a stock tank on it in a long time, so this is going to be good. I like it. I like it a lot. Good job. Alright. So the next thing we got to figure out, Addie, is where you're going to put your booty.
The seat.
What kind of seat? So there's a few different options. There's these things called solo seats, which is cool because you can't put nobody on the back of your bike, and you don't want nobody back there anyway. And then you have like king and queen seats, and then you have like seats with pillion pads. We have a few different options. So we're gonna start off with the solo seat and see what you think about that. That's it. Throw it up there. So the solo seat, I mean, we have to do the mounts and stuff, but they would have some springs underneath there to give you a little bit of cushion in your tushin. But the solo seat, that's option one. What do you like and not like about it?
It's really tiny.
It's tiny, it's small. Okay. It's minimalist, right? Let's see what option two is. Alright, so option two. Option two, what we're going to go with is a kind of combination between a solo seat with a little pillion area in the back of it. We're going to check that one out, see how it fits on there. So go ahead and grab it up, Addie. What do you think?
I don't really like it.
What?
I don't really like it.
You don't really like, what do you not like about it?
It looks weird.
Alright, option three. Option three, here we go. This is a king and queen seat, which is mostly made for having a passenger on the back. So if you wanted to ride your friends around with you, you could do that. Let's throw this king and queen up there on top there, see what it looks like. Well, what do we think about the king and queen seat? You don't know?
Looks like it'd be really uncomfortable.
Yeah, they're not really comfortable because they are rigid mounted to the frame and there's no suspension, so it's like really tough ride. I just remembered I do have another solo seat over here underneath the bench. Let me go grab that and we'll try that out. It's a little bit bigger than the other one, so maybe it might fit your style. Here, hold the camera. So here we go. A little bit different. It's a bigger solo seat, more flat, streamlined, a little bit wider. So let's take that king and queen off and let's throw this one up there.
Do you have one that's like big where, like, do you have one that's like that one or that one?
Well, the thing is, those two seats are made for bikes that have a rear suspension, like rear shocks, and this bike doesn't have rear shocks on it. So we're kind of limited. So you're not sold on any particular seat is what you're saying, right? It's not. We haven't found the right one yet. Alright, well, if you had to pick out of those four, where would you say you would fall, just to throw something on there to mock up and figure this? The last one? Option number 4? That's the one you like? Alright, we'll keep that one on there for right now until we find something that maybe would fit more of your style. Alright, got you up on the motorcycle. Now that we kind of figured out a seat, we got a tank. We have to figure out what kind of handlebars you like. So, put your arms out and show me where you want your handlebars to be at. You want your handlebars to be right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some handlebars. Utah?
My back's gonna hurt.
Not gonna work.
No.
Still too low. No. The last option. You like those, don't you?
I did.
Yeah. All right. After much trepidation, we have chosen a tank, a set of handlebars, and we have a good idea on the seat. You know what's cool about these handlebars, Addie?
What?
These are the same exact handlebars that are on Doggone Hot Dog, the motorcycle that's at Barber Museum. How cool is that? I think they were very comfortable handlebars too, so definitely love them. Well, that's gonna wrap up our video today. I am super excited to be giving Addie her Christmas present. What I want you guys to do right now is jump down in the comments and let me know what your very favorite Christmas gift that you've ever received before. Let us know what that is down in the comments. But that's going to wrap it up today, guys. Thank you guys for hanging out. If you guys are new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here.
Weems Motor Co.
Weems Motor Co. Peace!